Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to reset password in Venmo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Venmo. So simply tap on the login option. So once you tap on the login option, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is type in your email address, your username or mobile phone number and hit the sign in button. Now, as you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password and type in your email address or phone number that you have registered prior. Tap on the submit button. Once you do this, you will get a code or a link, Venmo reset password option. So you need to tap on it and simply follow the on-screen prompts given, which will help you to reset your password in your Venmo account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.